Hey guys, before this video starts, I just want to give a quick shout out to my podcast, Life Made Easy Podcast. I'm be doing a new sort of program on the channel where if you guys go over to my podcast, give it a listen, give it a rating, share it, just comment down below that you did so, and I will give you guys shout outs. So as I said, go over there, give it a listen, follow, share it, and then just comment down below that you did so, and I'll be giving you a shout out on the channel. So without further ado, guys, let's hop into the video. Easy Podcast. Me doing a new story on the channel where if you guys go over to my podcast, give it a listen, give it a rating, share it, just comment down below that you did so, and I will give you guys shout outs. So as I said, go over there, give it a listen, follow, share it, starting next video. Also, if you can leave a comment down below on what if you have any questions on this, or if you want me to make any future content, just you can do so in the comment section down below. Okay, without further ado, let's hop into the tutorial. So guys, getting more storage on your Xbox One, I'm going to be giving you a couple tips and tricks in this video. The first method I'm going to tell you is to just go to settings, as I'm here right now. Go to system, you want to go to storage. I would avoid these two right here, because that's going to literally clear everything off your console, which I do not recommend. I do recommend going to make more space, and from here, obviously, I don't have anything here, but if you have any leftover add-ons, your Xbox is going to let you know right here. And it's basically like any add-ons to games that you have currently installed. Like I had one recently, and then I deleted it, like NBA 2K add-on, and I haven't even played 2K. So you can have random add-ons, and it's good to delete them because sometimes they can be taking up space that could be used for something else. Also, you have shrinkable games. I don't have any currently, but I know Fortnite can do this, where it's basically like it takes a game of a certain gigabyte size, and it'll basically just shrink the content for you, which is nice, and it frees up storage without you having to delete anything. So if we go back here, the next thing I want to point out to you guys is that you can expand your memory with a hard drive or a USB 3.0 drive, like a little thumb drive. So you can go on Amazon, pick one up, you go to Best Buy, Target, anywhere like that. So it has to be USB 3.0, and it has to be 128 gigabytes or larger, and it must be formatted for Xbox One. Most drives will work with Xbox One. I don't think they're too picky on that. So you can just go pick one up. It has to be USB, has to connect via USB 3.0. Plug it in the back of your console, and your Xbox should pick it up. It should be right next to manage storage right here. Should come up as a separate option. So guys, I'm going to uninstall things. So here, this is where we can uninstall all this stuff. I mean, these are all your games you have, and then you can also delete avatars, but that takes up like no memory. Like if I were to delete this, it would free up a lot of storage, but I'm not going to do so. You can just go through your games, maybe delete old games you don't want, maybe delete apps you don't want, like Twitch or YouTube or something like that. So it's up to you guys. Like currently I have 96.2% storage, and I have 13 gigabytes free. So right now I like all these games, so I'm not going to delete anything just yet. But if you guys have older games that you don't play anymore, you can just come here and remove which ones you want. So guys, that's basically it. Those are the tips and tricks I have for you on how to expand your storage. If you found it useful, make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. As I said earlier, check out the Life Made Easy Podcast if you guys want to receive exclusive shout outs on the channel. I'll be shouting out YouTube channels and social media if you guys have it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next upcoming tutorial. Bye.